How to distract two girls in heat. You can't go up there. Midnight, the black one, she would be howling right now. She'd just be, if this wasn't on, being in heat would be her only distraction. But now I turn this on for her. Except it's like she wants them for real. I think she's getting tired of knowing they're not actually there. You're gonna knock that TV over, aren't you? I do need to get a new one anyway, but it'd be nice to have two. I'm afraid she's gonna try and jump up there, and then we got a problem. You gonna jump up there? Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Nala? Yeah, they both want a closer look. I am so ready to grab that TV with my other hand. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh dear God. Nala. First time she's ever been up there, and if Midnight sees her, Midnight's gonna want to try it too. Oh, this is too wobbly. I don't want the TV to break. I don't want to have to watch everything on my freaking laptop until I get a new TV. All right, we're done. Nala, we're done. This was a bad idea. I'll do it again when I get a bigger TV that's nice and sturdy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no, 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 no. It's off. It's off. It's off. How about some music? It's supposed to be relaxing cat music. I don't know if I buy it though. Therapy for cats. Nala, this is bad. You can't go up there anymore. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is not sturdy. Hey. Okay, thank you. Mid. I know. I know.